This is a demonstration of EZ-Formats Conditional Negative Field feature. Applications storing amounts as positives and changing them to negative based on the values in a second field almost never export amounts as negative. In this Excel export from a well-known accounting application, the sales amounts and owed amounts for credit memo and return transaction codes should be negative. Unless the positive credit memo and return amounts are switched to negative, totals and subtotals will be overstated. EZ-Formats Conditional Negative Field feature easily corrects this type of situation. Access this feature from the f of x formula field menu on the EZ-Format ribbon, or from the f of x menu on the EZ-Format toolbar in Excel 2000, XP, and 2003. The f of x menu is only active in EZ-Format formatted worksheets. Clicking Add Conditional Negative Field on either f of x menu opens the Conditional Negative dialog. From the Test Field drop-down, select the field whose values determine positive and negative amounts. In this demonstration, it is the transcode field. From the Numeric Field to Make Negative drop-down, select a field whose values should be negative based on the values in the test field. Checking Trim Before Testing trims the test field value inside the conditional negative formula. Trimming removes leading and trailing spaces and replaces multiple embedded spaces with single spaces. Checking Case Sensitive requires exact matches of test field values to the user-specified test values. Testing rarely needs to be case sensitive, and so this field is unchecked by default. When Not Values is unchecked, the user-specified test values are for negative amounts. When Not Values is checked, the user-specified test values are for positive amounts. When testing for positive amounts fails, the corresponding numeric value is treated as negative. EZ-Formats Conditional Negative Field feature always creates a new column of adjusted amounts. When Hide Original Numeric Field is checked, EZ-Format hides the original numeric field. Header contains the field description for the new conditional negative field. It is updated after selecting from the Numeric Field to Make Negative drop-down. If appropriate, change the suggested field description for the new conditional negative field. In the dialog's last input field, enter one or more test values separated by single spaces. In this demonstration, we are going to enter credit memo and return in all lowercase. The order in which the test values are entered does not matter. However, the order of the words in multi-word test values does matter. Memo credit is not the same test value as credit memo. When Trim Before Test is checked, do not include multiple embedded spaces inside any of the multi-word test values entered. Because Not Values is unchecked, the test values entered are for the negative amounts. Because Case Sensitive is unchecked, we can enter the test values without regard to case. After completing the form, click OK to create the conditional negative field. The new conditional negative field is created to the left of the selected numeric field, and it is automatically totaled or subtotaled. The cell formatting of the new conditional negative field is identical to that of the selected numeric field. When the original numeric field is hidden, clicking View Hidden Fields on the ribbon or toolbar temporarily displays the hidden fields. As seen here, the original sales amount total was overstated by $16,000. This is the same data after being subtotaled by state and city. While it is faster to create formula fields in non-subtotaled worksheets, formula fields can just as easily be created in EZ-Format subtotaled worksheets. When using the conditional negative dialog to create additional fields in the same worksheet, EZ-Format defaults all fields except for the numeric field to make negative to the values last used. The only input required is to select the numeric field to make negative and click OK. As seen here, the original owed amount total was overstated by $9,700. To change the cell formatting of a conditional negative field, use EZ-Format's Cell Style feature. To change the position of a conditional negative field, use EZ-Format's Order feature. To change the field description of a conditional negative field, either double-click on the existing field description or select Modify Field Description on the f of x menu. To delete a conditional negative field, use Delete Formula Field on the f of x menu. This concludes this demonstration of EZ-Format's Conditional Negative Field feature. Please visit www.datapresentation.com to download the free 15-day trial of EZ-Format. Thank you for your time.